Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The situation started when the car lost control, causing chaos on the street and crashing into parked vehicles. It came to the moment when the small car lost control and crashed into a series of parked vehicles on the roadside, causing severe damage. These moments on the road have captured the world's attention, sparking discussions about safety and infrastructure. Join us for more driving experiences and valuable lessons on the road. Let's get it on. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. I'm quite curious about what transpired behind Hope They Are Fine. What a nightmare. I hope they're okay. This is what happens when you go above the speed limit.
You think you're gonna get away?
Oh my God, why did he rush into that? For me, incidents are inevitably the result of exceeding the speed limit and overcompetes. Avoid distractions when driving, such as eating. Using a phone, keep your eyes on the road. Oh my, don't try to beat the red light man. I hope everyone is okay. We cannot cut off other vehicles. When we are on the road with a double line, very risky. Oh, he went too fast and crashed into someone's house. I hope he's okay. Whoops, stay safe out there, folks. Was it the heavy snow on the road that caused him to fall off the bridge? Really, I don't understand why someone can do that. Do not imitate this. Slow down, mate. Stay safe out there.
Pennsylvania. There was...
Oh, he got confused between the brake and gas pedals.
What's going on? There was...
Oh my God, that's a terrifying speed. Please slow down. No way did he fall asleep, or is he drunk? Hope he has a good insurance. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. Oh, what is that? It's on fire! Wow, that is so scary. Thankfully, there were no injuries. Oh, he crashed into 3 adjacent houses. I hope the driver is okay. Oops, in this case, who's going to pay the insurance? It's good that all of them are fine. Oh, why did he drive into the opposite lane? Please be careful. The driver managed to regain control.
One-way driver. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God.
Why did he take that road? I hope both of them are safe.
Oh my God. Holy. Oh my God.
That'll teach him to pay closer attention to the road. He's fine. Oh my God, what a nightmare. I hope everyone is okay. It's time to revoke their license. Stay safe out there, folks. Oh, what is going on? Glad everyone is safe. Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Oh, that's way too fast. Please slow down when approaching intersections. Everyone. Hey, don't drive into the opposite lane like that. Please be careful. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below, let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.